Are you tired of struggling with woodworking projects that never come out perfect? Today, I'm showing you 5 must-have tools that will save you time, make your work precise, and help you build like a pro. Stay tuned, because tool number 5 will completely change the way you install cabinets. First, we have the 4 PCS Corner Clamp. If you want your corners to be perfect every time, this is a game changer. It's made from strong aluminum alloy and has non-slip rubber handles for comfort. The jaws are adjustable, so you can fit wood pieces of different thicknesses. Use these clamps for welding, cabinet making, furniture assembly, and more. Imagine connecting 2 wood blocks at exactly 90 degrees in seconds. No more crooked joints. Next up is the 90-piece micro detail sander kit. Perfect for small projects, tight corners, and delicate surfaces. This kit has 90 sandpapers from coarse to fine grit, from 60 all the way to 400. The ergonomic sanding block fits your hand perfectly, so you won't get tired even after long sanding sessions. It's ideal for wood, plastic, metal, and all kinds of crafts. And the hook and loop system makes swapping sandpaper quick and easy. So whether it's smoothing rough wood or finishing tiny details, this kit makes your work precise and professional. Third, we have the 5-piece Countersink Drill Bit Set. If you want clean, professional holes, this is exactly what you need. The bits are made from high-speed steel with sharp spiral edges, giving you fast and smooth cuts. You can adjust the depth of both the pilot drill and the counterbore for perfect results every time. If you want your projects to look clean and polished, this drill bit set will save you time and frustration. Fourth, the Nicpro Carpenter Pencil Set. This is more than just a pencil. It's a precision marking tool for construction and woodworking. It comes with 2 pencils, 26 refills, and a built-in sharpener, so you never lose it. The elongated tip lets you mark deep holes and tight spaces that normal pencils can't reach. The 2.8mm lead is strong, so it won't break easily, and it writes on wood, metal, plastic, and paper. This set makes marking fast, accurate, and hassle-free. And finally, the tool that will revolutionize cabinet installation. These 2-pack cabinet clamps. They give you 300 to 600 pounds of clamping force and work with styles up to 1.2 inches thick. The included protective felt pads prevent scratches, and the guide hole system ensures perfect drilling alignment. Each set comes with 2 clamps, a storage case, and extended drill bits. This all-in-one solution makes cabinet installation fast, precise, and damage-free. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, these clamps will save hours of frustration. So there you have it, 5 tools that every woodworker and DIY enthusiast should have. From perfect corners to precise sanding, clean holes, accurate marking, and effortless cabinet installation, these tools make your work easier and more professional.